To replace a lost Amazon Prime Visa card, follow these steps. First, contact Amazon customer service immediately to report the card as lost or stolen. You can do this by signing into your Amazon account, clicking on Help and Customer Service, and then selecting Contact Us. Choose the option to speak with a customer service representative and let them know that you need to replace your lost card. They will guide you through the next steps and may ask for some verification information to confirm your identity. Next, you will need to contact Chase Bank, the issuer of the Amazon Prime Visa card, to request a replacement card. You can do this by calling the phone number on the back of your card or by signing into your Chase account online. If you do not have access to your Chase account, you can create a new one or contact Chase customer service for assistance. Once you have spoken with a representative, they will cancel your old card and issue a new one. It is essential to keep in mind that you will need to update any recurring payments or subscriptions associated with your old card to avoid any disruptions. This may include updating your Amazon account information, as well as any other merchants that you have set up for recurring payments. Additionally, you should monitor your account activity closely to ensure that there are no unauthorized transactions. By following these steps, you can quickly and easily replace your lost Amazon Prime Visa card and minimize any potential disruptions to your account. It is also a good idea to take this opportunity to review your account information and ensure that everything is up to date and secure. This includes checking your account balances, verifying your contact information, and reviewing your transaction history. By being proactive and taking the necessary steps, you can protect your account and prevent any potential issues. Remember to always keep your account information secure and to report any lost or stolen cards immediately to prevent unauthorized use.